Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy for growing a small account. Okay, so even if you're a newbie, right, even if you're a new trader, you can use this strategy I'm about to share with you guys. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup for this strategy, and then I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so make sure to stick to the video to the very end because there are some vital information you don't want to miss. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here now is to click on this F icon. After clicking on that, we are going to add the alligator, which is our first indicator here. Okay, so you click on this main window plus icon and then you search for your alligator. All right, so as you can see here on the screen right now, these are the setup for the alligator. Okay, these are the properties for the alligator. So you just need to set everything the same way as you're seeing it here. Okay, so I don't want to waste much of our time, so you just take a screenshot of everything you're seeing here, or you note it down somewhere. Okay, so as you can see here is 14 8 14 5 14 3. The method is smoothed media price. All right, the apply to is media price. The time frame is all time frame. Right now you can see the style, you make it you make the jars color green. The teeth, you make it the color of your background, use 1 pixel. And the lips, you make it color green again, right, 3 pixel. And the jars too is 3 pixel. Okay, so after that you click on done. All right, so after adding the alligator, you are going to have this two green line here on your chart. Okay, now the next indicator we have here is the moving average. All right, so you click on this plus icon again, then you search for your moving average. All right, so the period is 5, the shift is 0, method is simple, apply to is close. Right, the level, you leave it as it is, time frame all time frame. The style, you make it color red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. All right, so after adding the moving average, you are going to have this red line here on your chart. All right, now the next indicator we have here is the relative strength index. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this plus icon again, then you search for your relative strength index. All right, the period is 1, apply to is close. The level, you make it 15 and 85. The color is red, 3 pixel, you click on done. All right, now the time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it the color of your background, which is white. Right, you can see the color is white, you make it 1 pixel and you click on done. All right, now the next indicator we have here is the MACD. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this indicator window 1 plus icon to add the MACD under the relative strength index. Okay, so you search for your MACD. These are the properties for the MACD. The fast EMA is 20, the slow EMA is 80, right? The MACD SMA is 13, the apply to is close. All right, the level, you leave it as it is, time frame all time frame. Now the style, you make the main color green, 3 pixel, the signal color red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. All right, so after adding the MACD, the next indicator, the last indicator we have here is still a moving average. Right, so you click on this indicator in the 1 plus icon again, then you search for your moving average. So the period for this one, you make it 1, the shift is 0, the method is simple, the apply to is previous indicators data. All right, now the level, you leave it as it is, time frame all time frame. The style, you make it color blue and you make it 3 pixel. After that, you click on done. So after adding everything exactly the way I've explained it, you are going to have a screen like this one. All right, now I'm going to be explaining how the strategy work, but before I do that, I want to quickly remind you guys about my powerful boom and crash strategy, the VIP boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, this strategy I'm talking about, even a beginner that is just starting out today can use this strategy to grow a small account to any account size he wants. Okay, so if you are interested in getting this powerful strategy I'm talking about, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact. All right, do make sure to message me directly so that we discuss on how you get the strategy. All right, so that is that about that. Now back to this topic of the day, which is this strategy right here. All right, now how does this strategy work? It's a very simple strategy to understand. Okay, so listen very carefully so that you don't miss anything any point I'm going to be explaining here, okay? The first condition before taking an entry with this strategy is that first of all, you want to see a spike in the market, because this strategy is a scalping strategy. We are using it to trade against spike, and this is boom 1000. So on boom 1000 we sell, and on crash we are going to be buying. All right, so we do the opposite. Okay, so now on this market now, which is boom 1000, we are going to be looking for sell trades only. All right, so now the first condition is that you want to see a spike. All right, so whenever there's a spike in the market, you check your indicator window here. All right, now you see this red and green and the blue line. All right, they need to get to the overbought level. All right, so whenever there's a spike and you see that this blue and red line gets to the overbought level, which is our 85 level, okay? Now you are going to take note of one other thing again. You want to see that this blue line here start crossing below the red line. All right, so once you see this crossing, this is our first condition being met here on the indicator window here. All right, now the second condition is that you want to see that this price here, which is our small candles here, and this red line cross below the green line here on the main chart. All right, so the first crossing happened here. You want to see the second crossing before you take any entry. Okay, so this second crossing that is happening here now you want to see that this red line here crosses successfully below the green line on the main chart. All right, not just the candlestick, the red line also need to cross below it first before you go in for your sell. Okay, so immediately you see that the red crosses below this red, you see that the red line crosses below this green line here on the main chart, you go in immediately for 5 good candles and you exit the market. Okay, you go in for 5 good candles and then you exit the market. It's as simple as that, guys. And let me show you one more example and then we are done with this video. So as you can see here again, the condition were met. All right, so you see the blue and the red line got to the overbought level. All right, you wait for the crossing at the indicator window, and then on the main chart you wait for the red to cross below the green line. All right, immediately it crosses, you go in for your 5 candles. You might have taken your 5 candles before this spike will come, and all right, and anytime there is a spike like this, it's going to be a very short spike. Okay, because the condition are being met. Okay, so any spike that will come is going to be a small spike because the condition is already met, right? So this is a downtrend now. All right, the trend has changed from an uptrend to a downtrend. Okay, you can see price broke below our structure. All right, so there's a structure here which the indicator is trying to show you. All right, so there's a structure here that was being broken. All right, so price broke below it and the indicator also showed you that, so it came down. Now this is the retest that happened. All right, but on boom and crash on the 1 minute time frame, you hardly get a retest. Okay, so it won't happen all the time. Okay, but in this case it happened here. So you can see price broke below the trend line and the green line, and then it came back for a retest. Okay, so whenever this kind of thing happen, you don't need to be scared. Just stay in the market. All right, see your 5 candle is being taken and then you exit. All right, once you take your 5 candles you exit. Okay, but I believe around this area you would have taken your 5 candle before this spike will come. Okay, so you don't need to be scared. Right, it's a very powerful strategy and I want you guys to practice with it very well before you go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, don't just take my words for it. Make sure you practice the strategy by yourself very well before you go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so with this being said, I think that we have come to the end of this video. So if you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And if you know you are getting value from this video, please give the video a like. It helps a long way. Okay, so that is all, guys. If you know you have not yet joined my Telegram channel, check the description of this video. You are going to see the link to that so that you join. Okay, join the channel so that you don't miss the opportunities that is being given there. Okay, so that is all, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.